Nothing.
Me neither.
Yeah. I mean, I just want to say thank you. So, thank you. 2014. Look. I've gotten all I could get out of this. This simply sculpted who I am and what my passion is. Passionate shit, blasted something cataclysmic. Break me to pieces, I'm a motherfucking activist. And that's peace to the people preaching. Please complete the compliance of reason. Fuck the deceiving, what even meets over agreement. Like Steven, I'm more than balanced but grounded for like the weekend. For dreaming, they gave me cold shoulders. Short of my flow's grown and they're short of their own quotas. Lost so we throw stones and whatever the olds told us. I'm course to explode, assured for parts. I'ma change the world regardless of report card marks. I had a 2.0, they couldn't teach me straight. I ripped bongs and stayed higher than my GPA. The only time I wrote in class was over beats each page. I know that moms was gonna kill me when she sees these grades, but oh well. Tough riddance. I spent high school developing tough riddance. Then when I kicked it with the homies and some drunk bitches. We blacked out every weekend, there's never fucks given. Go ahead and fuck with it, I'm never stabilized. I never take my time, I'm too caught up in the rush of having to take what's mine. Lost in creative vibes, create my lines with the thought of falling. I break my spine, I've climbed too far, I grind too hard. This is my narrative, sick and tired of shit biased comparisons. You know who you are. It never hit me, I started my bro's career, then he went on and fucking ditched me. I'm straight, that's what life is. The girl I drop everything for is always avoiding me. I picked up what the sign is. It's hard to breathe, I'm all congested in my sinus. ADHD made me appreciate what time is, but never mind, it's fine, I'm forever minding my own. Motherfucking keep my eyes on the goal, I'm stoned. Grew up in the sticks, ain't nothing breaking my bones. Just know I told you from the start that I'd be legendary. And at first I had a big head to carry. You all have humbled me, about time this started growing. I fucking planted 100 seeds underground, so fuck dumbing this down. I'm motivated by the incandescent fire burning under me. Subtly feel exasperated whenever agitated. I roll up the fattest J and burn it for the fact of painting my piece to potential. Accept my final lasting statement, it's been real, pop pack, I am finally graduated. Wake the fuck up. Well, wake the fuck up. Bueller. I just want to say thank you for sticking with me, guys. I mean, it's been fucking real so far. I can't wait to see how far I can run with this. But shit's happening, that's all I gotta say. Keep supporting. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Wake the fuck up.